Are you learning to drive but struggling with a few key skills or maneuvers? Have you already got some experience behind the wheel but need a little extra confidence? Well, our 15-hour course could be perfect for you. This is a great option if you want to focus on certain areas of weakness with your driving. Your instructor will help you work on any issues and boost your confidence ready for your test. This course is typically taken over 3 to 6 days and includes 14 hours of tuition with a local, experienced DVSA approved instructor, plus a practical test, which we'll book at a time, date and test centre to suit you. We'll even fast track your test, meaning it will take place weeks or even months ahead of normal waiting times. This means that you could get your license just weeks after booking. Our courses are fast but flexible and can fit into even the busiest schedule. You can even personalize your course, choose manual or automatic, add a theory test, or include special requirements. It's up to you. Simply book online or over the phone and we will do the hard work for you.